Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to find out total of all yellow cells and total of all green cells. Put your cursor here, go to name manager. There you can click new and you have to mention the formula cell color. So cell color is the formula. Here you can apply one more formula called get.cell and you have to mention 38. I'll get to the list of all the codes and you have to mention this. There you have pressed F4 two times so that your column can be locked. Click OK and close it. Here you can apply formula cell color. Once you do that, your color code will be appeared. Yellow means 6 and green means 43. If you want total of all these colored cells, you can see that we have a function called SUMIF and SUMIF. This is the range. All right, comma criteria means you have the 6 and some range is that. So like that you can have the total of all yellow cells. If you want total of green cells, you can copy the same formula, control C, you can paste here and this time you can mention 43. This is the answer. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe and love my channel. Thank you so much.